General Motors is bidding farewell to one of its most iconic models, again. Hi, I'm American Cars and Racing Executive Editor Gary Gastelou, and this is unfortunately a sad edition of ACAR report because we've just gotten news from General Motors that production of the 6th generation Chevrolet Camaro has ended. They built the last coupe on Thursday, December 14th, and don't have any plans to replace it anytime soon. GM first announced it was going to discontinue the Camaro back in March, and according to reports, the last convertible version was actually built on November 22nd. No pictures of the final car or even specifications have been released yet, and we don't know if it's going to a customer or into a museum. This marks the second time the Camaro has gone out of production since it was originally launched in 1967, the last break coming between the 2002 and 2010 model years. Camaro sales have been pretty bad the last few years. In fact, through the first 3 quarters of this year, it wasn't just third among the American pony cars behind the Dodge Challenger and the Ford Mustang, but also was being outsold by the Chevy Corvette. All General Motors has said about the future of the Camaro name is that this is not the end of its story, but with the brand planning to go all electric in the next decade, hard to imagine they're going to come out with an all-new V8 powered car. However, General Motors has said that it will have its first electric coupes on sale by 2026. Hasn't said what brand's going to get them, but a couple of years ago, it did send out a teaser image that looks something like a Camaro. Unfortunately for American V8 sports car fans, this isn't the only one going out of production this year. Dodge is going to end production of the Challenger by December 31st, and that is going to be replaced by an electric car. According to Camaro lore, the name comes from a French slang word that means comrade or friend. So all we can say right now is farewell, good friend. We hope to see you again soon.